But what I'm trying to say is, how did it start? It was three
sure.
ladies in the square town that were cooking meals in their kitchen, and they brought it
Most
over.
big organizations began like that. Now the chiddush is, or the chachma is, that shouldn't get to your head, and you continue doing what you're doing. You know, this week's parsha Lech Lechu. The Welt fragt, a good question. Avraham Avinu, he's a poor man, doesn't have any children, an old poor man, no children. He's ridiculed all over. Do you know what that word means?
No.
I thought so.
I was about to ask you.
Like, he was called Avraham Ivri. What does Ivri mean?
Ivri is ma'aver from the other side.
Which other side did he come from?
Other side of the world. Everybody was on one side.
Thank you. Not just the other side. Yeah, not just the other side.
Oh, wow, I remember the Rasha.
Very good. So not just the other side of the world physically, also like who's that guy? You know, the entire world was on one side. He was that means he was a social outcast.
Yeah.
Like, who's this guy?
Yeah.
Like, you don't believe in the gods, you know, you came up with this one and only God. Unbelievable. He had nothing. And then there's the Nisoyan of Lech Lechu. The reason I'm saying, you know, quote unquote Nisoyan, it's like, what's the Nisoyan? Hashem promised him, if you leave your house, Vavarechechu.
It's this Pasha.
Yeah.
Lech Lechu.
Vavarechechu.
You see how Hashem puts our episodes in the right. Lo leches is this Pasha.
Lech Lechu. I don't think.
Bro,
Okay.
you can't
That's
make
right.
this up. We're like, okay, you know what? Next
It was supposed to be
Monday.
last week. That's right.
You know?
You know, we would have had things on Noach.
Yeah, but Hashem.
That's right. Lech Lechu. Lo leches b'chol derech.
And he puts in so much effort to put this together, so we might as well recognize
So we're going to
it.
have to come back, because we're going to speak about Chesed. I want to come back to a different shot, which I've much more, which I want to focus on today, if I may. So we'll come back also to the Leches as in the other shot, but let's just stay focused a second. Hashem says, if you go, you're going to get V'agadlo shemecho, V'avarechechu, says Rashi, b'mumoin, you'll have money.